Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a clear jelly stamper haul. I'm really excited about this. I have not picked up clear jelly stamper in quite some time, probably since when I originally got my stamper. So I do use this guy, which is the big one, like the big guy. Yeah, mine is cloudy because I didn't do it correctly. That one is not, but I definitely do it correctly now. So I only have, I think, 4 plates. Like when I got it, it was like a combo package of plates. So this is like my first probably bigger haul of plates because again, I only have like 4 small plates, which I do like. So I'm gonna zoom you in some. So this one is an Easter one, and I didn't want to go super big on the Easter plates or like St. Patrick's Day. Like I wanted to keep it pretty simple because I felt like it's only like one day or one, I don't want to say one set of nails. Does that make sense? Like it's just one nail set. Like I'm not gonna do a million of them. Like where Valentine's Day you can do hearts and stuff like all year round. So this is 02, so H-02. All right, and then we have this guy, which he is a St. Patrick's Day. Okay, he's real stuck. Oh, there's like directions on the back of this one. So I don't know, this may be like a super old plate or something because that was different packaging. So this guy is H01, and this, I was looking for the plaid plate, but it was already sold out. So I don't know if it was only just for like holidays or something, or she just maybe sold out. So I picked up this one because I felt like that's kind of tiny now that I see it in person. Although it may be okay. I don't wear my nails like terribly long, but I really wanted it for the plaid and then some of the kind of rainbow for St. Patrick's Day. And my battery's dying, hang on. All right, and just like that, you don't even know what happened. So I'm gonna zoom this out because these are bigger plates. So this is, I think, a newer plate this year because they're offering like these designs on the back. Oh, that's like, sorry about that, super overexposed. So let's get this bad boy out. So here are the designs you can make with it. You have your, what is slanted, your candy cane. So I don't know if you saw my kind of fail of a tutorial. I wanted to leave it, but this one was hard. Okay, so I can link it. I think it's over here, but I don't know if because it's flipped and all that. And then you have all these different plates, but I essentially bought it for these. Not that I'm not gonna use the other ones, but I also like that you can use her plates layered. I was gonna say stamped. I mean, it's not layered or not layered. Like you could just have like the complete outline, or you can make him like everything, like the brown, the lighter brown or white, and then this guy, like the outline. I love that they're layered. I know quite a bit goes into layering these guys, but I really liked it. I liked that there was a couple snowflakes on there, some angels. Like I just thought this was like an overall really great plate, and I kind of like this guy. I think these two go together coming from the plate here. It's gingerbread and that, but I also like that I could just use that all over the nail. So I like that you can use them together or individual. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. All right, now this goes against exactly what I said earlier, which is kind of funny, but I liked this one for more than one thing. Okay. So this is pretty much, oh, I don't know if I said the other plate number. This plate is C27, which is this guy with that. And then this plate is H14, And this is, I mean, this is a St. Patrick's Day plate, but I know there's so many cute things on this plate. I could not resist. It's just so cute. I feel like I could use the grass anytime, I'm not gonna lie. We have the rainbows, we have the little clouds that go with the rainbows. We kind of have like a swirly flower. Shamrocks are generally, you know, St. Patrick's Day, not always, but generally. And then you got some bubbles there. So this is a St. Patrick's Day plate. However, I really liked it. So I did buy this guy, but like I said, I pretty much bought him for the plaid. But I mean, I don't know. I just loved it, okay? And it just spoke to me. So I liked this plate a lot. And it didn't come with a back, so this is an older plate. And then this one, I'm a little late to the game. Like I said, I haven't made any purchases in a while, probably about a year. This is like the most beautiful snowflake combo plate ever. I absolutely love it. And you do have your combos on the back to see all of the different, there we go, it's stuck, all the different combinations you can do. And granted, you know, like this guy goes with this one, but you're not necessarily stuck using that one. Like you can use this big guy for this one too. Like, you know what I mean? Like you're not stuck with using it exactly how they say. And I think that's what I really like about these plates, is that you can do whatever you want. All right, this one I'm really excited about. Okay, this one, the snowflake plate was C24. I'm getting bad at saying what they are. This is 87. So this is a newer one as well. Now, this is shameful. I literally wanted it for the lips, to do kind of like a drip lip thing, and the roses. Obviously everything else looks really cool too, but that's really what I wanted it for. The cherries are really cool. You know, you could do the army camouflage. The fire is sweet if I want to add fire to my nails, or do kind of like a drip or icicle. I could get away, I think, using that stuff with like icicles, like if I did it like that or like that. I don't know, there we go. So I just overall really liked this plate. The roses are super pretty. I know, it's hard to tell. There we go. So overall, I really like that plate. And last but not least is a full-on Valentine's Day guy. There's no sugarcoating it this way. Like, not that I need to sugarcoat anything, but I loved this plate for Valentine's Day. This is obviously an older plate because there was no thing in the back. So this is V03. And again, I like the layering, and I like that you don't have to use it together. I know I keep saying that, but like if you just wanted an outline of like the rose, you don't have to do everything. And this plate just really spoke to me. Like you could use little hearts, you can use the big hearts, but these stack together, and then you can put that on top. Like it's just a very well done plate, and I'm so excited to use this one. I loved the little clouds. I also like that I didn't necessarily have to use them together, because like you can add those in there. You got some hearts, more roses, you got the bouquets, the love. So I really, really liked this plate. So I didn't get too much. I mean, I still spent a good amount, even though I used Talia's coupon code. These plates are very expensive, especially compared to like a, whatchamacallit, like a AliExpress haul or something, or what beauty store is that called? I forget. It's like a really popular nail shop. I can't think of it, but yeah. So I got these plates. I'm really excited to use them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.